Hey guys, we're back again today. It's your boy Ocey Phillips, and today I'm breaking down NFTs 2.0. Right? So we're going to talk about one type of NFT platform and of course one type of blockchain and how this could be beneficial for us from a Caribbean context and a Caribbean perspective. Right? So let's dive into it quickly. So today we're talking about Remark. Now, if you want to visit the platform, rmrk.app is the link. You could go to that. And Remark is a set of NFT Legos. So it's called Legos because of the possibilities are endless on what you could build and what you could create. Of course, it's built on the Kusama blockchain, which is one of the blockchains. You could check out Kusama Blockchain for more information. And it could operate with or without the need for smart contracts. Of course, those of you who've seen my previous videos know I talk about smart contracts and that type of thing. So, of course, Remark has 4 distinct abilities. There are more abilities, but I think these 4 are really crucial for us in a region from a Caribbean context. And the first one we're going to dive into is what we're calling nested NFTs. This means that an NFT can own or can be owned by other NFTs without a limit, right? This could be applied to products, services, or a mix of both. And this means that one NFT could own 100,000 NFTs, and the reverse, 100,000 NFTs can own one NFT, right? So it also depends on your use case, your utilities, and the value that that provides. Of course, we're going to dive into number 2, multi-resource NFTs. And of course, this is not tied to one use case. So let's take like a book. You can have a hardcover book, hard copy book written. You can have an ebook or Kindle version. And then you could also have an audio book, right? And of course, those are 3 different use cases for the same type of information, right? And you could use the same thing for NFTs. You could tie it to different types of use cases for services, for products, for utility, for access, and it's how you decide to do it, right? Thirdly, we have reactive NFTs. And I love this. This changes based on the criteria that you could define what the NFT reacts to. So use case, I have a set of real estate in the Caribbean, different countries, and I want my NFT to react to climate change. My NFT then says when it's winter time, I trigger ads or I trigger access for people to come and work remotely in my different business, in my different real estate or my different buildings in different countries, right? And of course, you could set your NFT to react to stock prices, to different things, climate change. And of course, this would be depending on the type of oracle that you set up. So stay tuned for my next video breaking down what NFT oracles are and how it fits from a Caribbean context. Last but not least, we have NFT DAOs, non-fungible tokens acting like or operating as decentralized autonomous organizations. So some NFTs are too expensive for one person to own. And of course, this takes a structure like a LLC or a business, like shareholders. So you could have an NFT and somebody owns 5% of that NFT. That means that person owns 5 or 10 or 15%, how much ever the person has. It owns that amount in utility, in value, or in access to whatever the value is for that collection. So if you have, let's say, a business with multiple types of services, that person could access certain levels of services, and the other person with more shares or more stakes in the NFTs could own more types or more services or actually more access. However, you want to tweak the value to your people, right? And that is all in the 4 types of NFTs. Of course, stay tuned. I'm going to drop more videos on NFTs from a Caribbean context. But feel free to like, follow, share, and of course, drop your feedback in it, ask questions, and let me know how I could break down NFTs in a context that you understand.